be one person who manages all the data, delivery person who comes and gives you the food, and another side all these managers will be done by the admin. See, there are so many number of users doing the different set of criteria. What I do as a user, search for one application, book one one food, in which restaurant I want, I'll book. That's all. My job is done once I do the payment. Now next, whose work it should be? Portal person. He should receive the order, process with the order, and till he gives to the delivery person and he receives a feedback from a user, till that a hotel person will be doing his job. Delivery person. Once his job is being assigned, take that food, give to the person who has ordered it. That's all. His work will be done. See, in the different criteria, different ways, user, the customer will be in one source, what kind of data that he is going to see, and see to the delivery person, how I am seeing the Zomato application, he won't see in the same way. And even to the hotel person also, their things might be the same, but the interaction and the technical data, the application view will be different. And the next thing is prototyping. Prototyping, I have one small diagram after this. You are going to collect the information and make one kind of a document. What kind of documents that you wanted to make, I'll just tell you. And coming to the user interface design, how I should connect to my application. What are my uses to that application? I have to make it one small diagram. Next thing is designing the software. So after all these data, design, diagrams I have done, now it's my time to develop my app. ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಹೋಮ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅಸ್, ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್, ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಲುಕ್, ಆಲ್ ದ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್. In what way I have to make? Called as wireframes. In another word, blueprint. So this method I have to involve. So let me show you the last slide. What are all the data for the design of the software that you are going to use. So ಯಾವ application use ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಈ ತರ contents ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. So now coming to my concept called as prototyping. I just said you that you have to do some research for that and make it as a document. My first thing is analyze what is a problem. So problem ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ, ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಆಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂತೀರಲ್ವಾ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ಲಿ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. Which is already in existence and you are trying to do it, it's absolutely waste, right? What is your uniqueness in that? You have to think, analyze all the applications and think what is a facility each one of the application is not providing for me. So you will be getting what is a problem inside one application and you can develop those criteria into the different formation of ways and make it as a document. And after this, generate the system interface, how the interface should be, who is the user and how the user is being connected to the admin and what does the admin is going to do. He is going to give you some dashboard information. Andre admin ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಲಸನೇ separate ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, user ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಲಸನೇ separate ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So owner and the worker should be in a different kinds of formation. So what is the owner is trying to do? Develop all the sources and give it to his workers. So if you are trying to do this kind of a job, you have to make sure you are going to get some customers from you. So this is one set of a criteria, make it as a document. After this, evaluate. So whether you are doing this kinds of a jobs, whether that jobs are being applicable to us or my application or not. So this is one analyzation. So once if you analyze, you can go back to the same kind of generated resources. If any of the information is missing, generate your ideas and come back and do one more document. If everything is done, go to the architecture. Architecture represents for each and every designs that how your pages wants to look, right? So ಇವಾಗ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪೇಜ್ ನ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ ಆಗಿ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್, ಆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನೇಮ್, ಸೊ ನೇಮ್ ನ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್, ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಬಟನ್, ಇಷ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್? ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅ ಬಟನ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ have a easiest way to choose your favorite backgrounds in your mobile phones. At least
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಷ್ಟನೋ ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ತಗೊಬೇಕು, ವಾಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್? ಯುವರ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಶುಡ್ ಲುಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ, ರೈಟ್? ಹೈ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಆರ್ ಹೈ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮೆಥಡ್ ವೇರ್ ಯು ಡೂ ವಿತ್ ದ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಫೈಲ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾನು ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರಿಲೆವೆಂಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಟು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್, ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಮೈ ಯೂಸರ್ ಐಡಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ವೇರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೆಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಒನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಪೇಜಸ್ ನ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೋ ಆ ಪೇಜ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? You are going to build this application for the many number of movements. So if that movement doesn't work, it is a complete waste of you for designing one application. So always make sure that once you design any of the apps, you have to make sure whether that is working or not. So this is one criteria process. So once if you are done with all the details, now start with the detailed designing. From the login page to the logout page, what are all the activities that your application is trying to do? So make sure one information is being connected with each and every set of resources. ಈ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ ಯಾರೋ ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋನ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್, ರೈಟ್? Instagram is being logged into your own application, means login successful ಆದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದೇ ಹೋಮ್ ಪೇಜ್, ನಿಮ್ಮದೇ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಪೇಜ್, whatever you do in that application, it is going to be viewed, and whatever activities you try to do, it will be stored in your own account.